Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create WordPress in Localhost. First, you need to set up a local server environment. Popular choices include XAMPP or WAMP, which provide Apache, MySQL, and PHP. Once your server is running, download the most recent WordPress package directly from WordPress.org. Finally, use phpMyAdmin, usually accessible through your local server dashboard, to create a new, empty database for your site. This database will store all your WordPress content. Next, extract the WordPress files you downloaded into your local server's webroot directory, often named htdocs for XAMPP or www for WAMP. Inside this new WordPress folder, find the wp-config sample PHP file and rename it to wp-config PHP. This crucial file connects WordPress to your database. Open wp-config PHP with a text editor and enter the database name, username, and password you created in the previous step. Save your changes before proceeding. Now, open your web browser and type in the URL for your local WordPress site, typically http://localhost/ your WordPress folder name. This will launch the WordPress installation wizard. Choose your desired language from the drop-down menu and click the Continue button. On the next screen, you will be prompted to enter essential site details: your site title, a secure admin username, a strong password, and your email address. Fill these out carefully. After filling in all the details, click the Install WordPress button to complete the installation. Once successful, you will see a confirmation message. Then, click the Login button and enter the admin username and password you just created. This will take you directly to your WordPress dashboard, the control panel for your new website. From here, you can start exploring, installing themes, adding plugins, and creating your content. Your local WordPress site is now ready for development.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.